Hey everybody, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, your host of this channel. I want to say thank you to the 1,327 subscribers. This is just a quick little short update on my Fender. So this Fender was white. I just rattle can primed it flat black. And I got some navy blue that I'm going to shoot on it once it's completely dry. And that's basically going to be it for the Fender. Also got a new piece, or a used piece of core support that I'm going to use to fabricate my old core support. So I'll show you guys that in the another video, probably be tomorrow. So anyways, just want to give everybody a quick update and with it. This suggestion right here came from a viewer about painting your part black with primer first and then hitting it with the navy blue to hopefully get closer to the shade of the van. So I'm giving it a shot. Thanks for watching. There you go. Just a quick update here. Looks pretty good. I do notice I got a little run down here, but honestly don't care. And other than that, looks pretty decent. So stay tuned for the next. Alright, there we are. So I went and hit it with some blue. Primer dried pretty good, so I'm going to just leave it like this and let it dry overnight. Looks pretty shiny. Glossy enough anyways. Alright, here we are, just a quick update. We are working on getting the front end apart. And my buddy is over here working on getting the grill apart. So, yeah, I'll give you guys another update here in just a little bit. Progress. By the way, this is my buddy Steve.
Hey, bud.
And his garage. And, yeah. So, we're getting there, slowly but surely. That's a mess. Pulling this shit apart. Alright, there we go. There's a new piece of core support in. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I'm Daniel. Thank you to the new subscriber. Show you my progress. So we got the piece of this this plastic piece, core support in. We got the new Fender on. Of course, you can tell the color difference, which doesn't matter to me. And we got the new headlight in on the driver's side. I gotta get the horns put back in, and I gotta mess with the wiring on the passenger side headlight, and then should be getting pretty close to throwing the bumper cover and grill and all that fancy crap back on. Alright, here we are. So I got the headlight housing back in. Took a little finagling. I got in, got the airbag sensor back in too. Luckily, when I bought this core support piece, it had an extra airbag sensor, so I'll hold on to that for later on. And I'm going to give you a good front view. Yeah, we're getting close. Alright everybody, it's pretty much together. The bottom we got to deal with still yet, but that's nothing that a zip tie won't take care of. So other than that, she's back together. So let's hope that she holds up. I actually like this color blue better than the body color. Looks really nice on it. Alright, there you go. Final look with the hood closed. The only thing we notice is that this fender is pushed back just a little bit. It's just 1/8 of an inch off, which ain't no big deal. Other than that, looks pretty good. This piece is missing, but I do have it at the house. I just gotta find it, which I don't care. Missing the antenna, but the antenna never worked anyway, so it don't matter. And the spring, we're probably gonna hit it with another coat of paint to darken it up. But for now, it'll do its job just fine. And nice clear headlights, it'll do a good job blinding the hell out of people going down the road. Like, comment, subscribe.